In this part of the tutorial, I'll show you how I assembled the Monster Doll's head. First, I applied some hot glue to the plastic face piece and quickly attached the crocheted head, the round beige acrylic part, pressing firmly to make sure it sticks well. After letting it sit for a bit, I went back and added more glue in different spots, pressing again to make sure the entire head was securely attached to the plastic face. Now I should tell you, this is probably only my second or third time using a hot glue gun. I'm definitely not an expert with it, so my work isn't perfect. The next step is to attach the hood to the head using the same glue gun. We'll do it pretty much the same way as before, so start from one side, apply the glue and press firmly to make sure it sticks well. Then move on the next section, pressing again until the entire hood is nicely attached to the head. Once you're happy with how the hood is glued onto the monster's head, we can move on sewing the ears. I hope you've been enjoying the tutorial so far and that you're happy with how your monster doll is turning out. If you'd like to support me so I can keep creating more tutorials, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll also stay updated whenever I post something new. We can now fasten off, making a knot between the two remaining yarn tails, and the head is ready. Let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Friday for the next part of the tutorial, the arms.